the offer that sells itself. Let us craft a $97 offer that converts. One of the biggest mistakes people make when launching their membership site or online business, they overthink the offer. They try to pack in too much, over deliver everything at once, or worse, price themselves out of the market by going straight to high ticket offers and end up selling nothing. Here's the truth: people do not buy more, they buy clarity and confidence. And the most effective way to build trust, momentum, and recurring revenue fast is a $97 per month offer that solves a clear problem in a simple way. It's low friction for your customer, it's high leverage for you, and it creates a path to upsell to $1,000 to $5,000 services later without ever feeling salesy. So let's find it out how to create a $97 offer that converts without overcomplicating it. Step 1: you identify a clear, painful problem. People pay $97 per month to solve something urgent and valuable, not vague. So you ask, what problem is your audience facing right now? What is costing them time, money, or peace of mind? Can you offer can your offer provide quick wins that justify the price within 7 to 10 days? For an example, let's say you are selling the offer that says launch your first Facebook ad in 7 days, or build a client getting LinkedIn profile, or automate your email follow ups and get 10 hours per week back. So you identify a clear, painful problem. Step 2: you bundle tangible outcomes and not features. So you don't just list modules or videos, you sell outcomes. You structure your $97 offer around 3 pillars: content, community, and coaching support. When I say content, I mean a short course or resource library. When I say community, I mean a space for feedback and accountability. And when I say coaching or support, I mean via weekly calls or Q&A access. You keep it simple but valuable. Your promise is pay $97 per month and I'll help you solve X without Y. That's the promise that you make, right? Step 3: you make it a no-brainer. Why $97 works so well? It's an easy entry, low risk for the buyer. It's scalable for you, no sales calls required, and high perceived value, especially if bundled with access to your ecosystem. Make it even more irresistible with a trial period, 7 to 14 days, a guarantee where they can cancel anytime, and a bonus or a number of bonuses like a free onboarding call or a setup session. And if you're using tools like Go High Level, you can deliver the entire experience inside one dashboard: the course, the community, the emails, the upsells. One login, no tech headaches. So your $97 offer is not just a product, it's a front door to your business. It builds your email list, funds your ad spend, earns trust, and opens the path to premium services down the road. Start simple, solve one big problem, and let the system do the heavy lifting. So here is what to do next. You download the $97 offer planner PDF from the resources section. Use our 30-day Go High Level trial to set up your offer pages. Join the community to get feedback on your offer and hop into a live call this week. Let's workshop your offer together. Your future clients are already looking for this solution. Let's give it to them clearly, confidently, and consistently. You have got this.